Been doing a lot of thinking since Patreon was deleted, and come to the conclusion with the help of a therapist that I'm just sorry, so sorry, and made a mistake, and that was a huge source of income, and I want you to know how and just at a point where I have nothing left. So, therapist didn't want me to do this. I want to do it because I think that people are human and that they'll understand and they'll be merciful. On my knees, and I'm begging you, Patreon, to give Patreon back. Grown man, 34, and I'm on my knees asking you, man to give Patreon back. Please! I want it back, okay? I had 600 patrons! How am I ever supposed to get 600 patrons back? You're like the only donations. You know what? What? Is this what you want? Huh? Is this what you want? I'll give you what you want. Give you what you want, okay? Give you what you want. Is that what you want? Is that what you want? You want me to be covered in soda? You want me to be covered in soda? Huh? Just want it back. When you deleted Patreon, Soul died. Soul died inside my body. It sounded like a little infant baby growing in my belly and it died. Get it, Patreon back. I want Patreon back. And I want it. I want Patreon. And you're mean and a bully if you don't get it